Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Class 7, Subject English. Dear students, today we are going to read a new poem, and that is The Parts of Speech. So let's start the poem. Every name is called a noun, as field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun the pronoun stands, as he and she can clap their hands. The adjective describes a thing, as magic wand or bridal ring. The verb means action, something done, to read and write, to jump and run. How things are done, the adverbs tell, as quickly, slowly, badly, well. The preposition shows relation, as in the street or at the station. Conjunctions join in many ways, sentences, words, or phrase and phrase. The interjection cries out, hark! I need an exclamation mark. Through poetry we learn how each of these make up the parts of speech. Of these make up the parts of speech. Thank you.